So now continuing with our discussion on the metabolism of fructose, there is another very important aspect of fructose metabolism. That is that you know about glucoses or hexoses that when they get phosphorylated, they have the tendency of getting trapped into the cell because they have permeability problem and they get trapped into the cell. So in these cases, what will happen that you can have an alternative way of making use of these glucose molecules, that is by converting this glucose molecule into an alcohol group or reducing them through aldehyde into an alcohol group. This is we do it because the glucose molecule or other hexoses, they have very rapid tendency of getting phosphorylated and making phosphorylated compound like glucose phosphate, fructose phosphate, and so on and so forth. So we have to then, the nature have devised a way to circumvent or to make a alternative way of metabolizing the such monosaccharides. So what will happen here is that, for instance, the glucose is converted into an alcoholic group known as sorbitol by an enzyme known as aldose reductase. This enzyme is found in tissues including retina, liver, and lungs and islands. Then there is another enzyme which is sorbitol dehydrogenase. This enzyme, then what it does is that it converts sorbitol into fructose, and that fructose then is used in different metabolic activities. For instance, the conversion of sorbitol, which gives rise to the formation of fructose, that fructose can be used by sperm cells. In sperms, the fructose is the major provider of the energy for the motility of the sperm or other needs of the sperm. Also, in the same way, what happened that sorbitol can also act or provide a mean to enter into the, to let the glucose molecules to enter into the what we say gluconeogenesis or glycolysis by the formation of fructose. So in this way, nature devised certain ways that rather than making or adopting the canonical pathways, it also devised alternative pathways to get some better results under some special circumstances.